The good news from the department store profit releases in the last couple of days is that both David Jones and Myers reported increases in same-store sales, 1.2% for Myer and 1.1% for David Jones. The bad news, of course, is that both fall well below inflation, but at least consumers are getting out there. And Myer in particular said that the second quarter, or the last quarter, we saw 1.7% increases in sales. Bernie Brooks, of course, is a master spruiker, but this time around he was a little bit more downbeat. Paul Zara, by contrast, put on a command performance, describing what would otherwise be called weak sales as stellar. The David Jones chief executive, that was a Freudian slip, was in full style. The theme overhanging these results, of course, was the proposed merger for Myer, which argues that shareholders of both companies can reap something like $900 million in benefits if the two stores got together and combined to beat off foreign competitors. Many doubt that these could be achieved. And after today's results from Myer, the doubters were out in force, which saw Myer's share price just plummet over 5% in early trade, and David Jones also fell after an up day yesterday. Market analysts can be expected to downgrade Myer's earnings by as much as 10% on the back of the half-year results released today. This is due to two factors. Cost of doing business increased, and consequently, there was a fall in gross profit margins. This was in stark contrast again to the company north of the border, David Jones. It managed to get lower costs and better margins, which is one reason why Paul Zara was positively ebullient and Bernie Brooks was abnormally quiet today. Both Myer and David Jones are well behind their overseas competitors in online sales, but the good news is that they are catching up. Myer is a little bit in front of David Jones, and while it had some well-publicised outages over Christmas, it looks like getting good traction. This, of course, is also being helped by the lower Australian dollar, which makes overseas items look a little bit less attractive for savvy shoppers in Australia. Both are aiming to get up to around 10% of total sales online, and also hoping by click and collect and other measures to increase physical store sales in the same process. It's a good step in the right direction, but a long way to travel.